Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making crispy buffalo wings with a blue cheese sauce. But if you're not into blue cheese sauce, just skip that step. First off, we're going to split these wings in half, leaving us with the drum and the flat, and I usually just throw out the tail end of the flat. Repeating this until all the wings are divided. Now, removing any excess moisture with the paper towel. Lightly coating the wings with approximately 1 teaspoon of salt. Then also adding a light coat of 2.5 tablespoons of baking powder. Do not use baking soda for this step. Placing all the wings into a snap lock bag. Then give the bag a good shake, and this will go in the fridge for at least half an hour. This is a great time to get the smoker up to temperature. Throwing a ton of flavour into these wings with Costco's premium blend hardwood pellets, and we'll preheat the smoker to 120 degrees Celsius or 248 degrees Fahrenheit. After half an hour in the fridge, time to place these wings onto a wire rack. And I'm using a foil tray. This will just help with the cleanup afterwards. Getting these into the smoker for approximately 45 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius or 248 degrees Fahrenheit. While the wings are cooking, it's time to whip up the blue cheese sauce. The full recipe will be in the description below. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, adding 1 cup of blue cheese into the blender, then adding the sour cream and mayonnaise, add in the lemon juice, then finish it off with the ground pepper and salt. This will be blended on high until everything has mixed into a creamy consistency. Once happy with the texture, pop this into the fridge until the wings are ready to eat. Back out to the wings, and these have hit our target internal temp of 75 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Shutting down the smoker and letting these rest while we make the buffalo sauce. On a very low heat, add into a saucepan 2/3 cups of your favorite hot sauce, half a cup of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, one-eighth teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt to taste. Slowly stir all of this together on low heat until it's fully combined. Let's get these wings inside and coated in that buffalo sauce. Just have a close look at these wings here. They have turned out super crispy and are cooked perfectly. Okay, time to get these sauced up. Grabbing a couple of wings and putting them into a bowl. Then I'll just scoop 1 or 2 spoons of the sauce into the bowl and toss them around until fully coated. Getting the blue cheese sauce out of the fridge and into a smaller dipping container. And that's it. Grab a wing, dunk sauce on it, and clean them bones. This will surely be a winner at your next barbecue. Thanks for hanging around to the end of the video. It's very much appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one.